Welcome to my channel CADman Tutorials. Today we are going to create this drawing in AutoCAD in a step-by-step method. So let's get started. So first I try to create this vertical line, center line from here to here, and try to create this horizontal line, and then try to offset this center line by 164 in order to create these circles, and then try to offset this center line 272 to form this center line, and respectively this vertical line will try to offset to 68 to get this center line and 241 to get this vertical center lines. So let's get started. So go for L command and draw a line, and take another line command and draw a horizontal line. So now try to offset or enter to 164 in order to get this center line. Okay, now I try to offset the same center line to 68, and then again 241 in order to get this center line. So offset 68 and offset to 41, and now I try to offset the same center line. I'll extend this center line till this end, and then try to offset to 72 in order to get this center line. So I'll try to lengthen dynamically. Click here and take out of the intersecting line, this vertical line. Now I try to offset through 72. So this is my 72. So let's try to create the circles here. One is radius 20, and this is inner radius is 11 or diameter 22. Then respectively we'll create all these circles first. So go to C for a circle, enter, come to the intersection point, click and come out to give the radius as 20, and go to the circle again and try to give the inner dimension dia 22, dia, enter 22. Now we try to create this radius 60, and this inner diameter is 30. So let's create a circle here and say diameter 60, and once again give C, enter, in order to give dia 30. So now we try to create this dia 24 and this dia 33, and the same diameter here 3 into dia 22. So this will be dia 22, and even this will be dia 22. So go to C command for creating a circle, come to the intersection point of this, click here and give dia 22, and similarly again go to the circle, come to this intersection point and give dia 22, and we'll create this dia 33 in the outer circle. So offset to circle, create a circle, dia 33. Now we'll try to create this center line from here to here in order to get this, because from this center line joining these center lines, so we have got distance 40 in order to get this profile and this profile, that is 20 and 20 this side and 20 that side. Okay, so I create a line from here to here, intersection point of these two circles. I try to lengthen dynamically in order to have my center line little away from the circle, and similarly I'll go to lengthen dynamically, click and create this. Now I try to offset, so 20 on the other side, because the distance from here to here is given as 40, or you can take a perpendicular line directly or the tangent lines directly from this radius 20. So I try to offset 20 on the other side. Now I try to remove the extra lines and I try to break this off in order to give this radius 15. So I try to remove this part or remove this part by breaking off the line. So now we'll try to create this radius 15. So give fillet radius and say 15. So now we have got the profile. So we will try to create the other profiles now. So which is radius 100 and one more radius that we have is radius 24 and this is radius 92. So first we create a radius 24. So go for circle, enter, come to this point and say radius 24, and in order to get this profile, so we'll make a tangent. So tangent to tangent radius, tan radius. So go to circle, go to tan radius, select this circle and give the radius as 100. So go to the circle, tan radius, so from here to here and give 100. So we'll try to remove the extra lines and delete off the other part of the circle. So next I try to break off this line because we don't require this line till here. So we will try to create that profile later. And now from here, so radius 92 is required from this center of the circle, so we wanted a circle of 92. So go to circle C, from here give radius 92, and now try to trim off the extra circle that we don't require, and now we'll try to give the fillet of radius 15 from this circle to this circle. So from here to here, from this arc to the circle, we'll give radius 15. So fillet radius 15 from here to here, and we'll try to remove this line. So now in order to create this profile, first we need to create this profile, because for this radius R144 is given. So first if we create this, we can offset this arc to 26 in order to get this profile. Then we can give the radius for this other lines. So first we'll try to create this radius 144 in order to create this, so first we need to make this center point and create this arc of radius 15. From that arc we can give tan radius to this circle and form this 144 radius. So I try to offset to 10. This line I try to offset to 10, and from this line, from this line, it is that radius is making a radius of 15 from the center. So we'll try to offset 15. This line we try to offset in order to get that center point. So in the intersection point of this, we'll take radius 15 because the radius 15 as given here. So we'll take the radius 15 and we'll try to remove off the other lines in order to get rid of the confusion. So we'll try to trim out this, and trim out this, and trim out. Now we'll try to complete this arc radius 144. Say circle, go to tan radius, select this tan and select this tan, and then give 144. So now we'll try to delete off the extra lines, and so now we have got the required profile. So finally what we'll do, we'll try to create this profile. We already have a center line because this portion of the line is already lying on the center line. So first let's offset this radius 144 to 26. So offset to 26, and now we'll try to make this arc radius 50 from the same center of this radius 50. So first radius 50. So we'll try to trim out the other parts of this circle, and we'll try to trim out even this extra portion. Now we'll try to give the radius R8 on the three sides in order to get the required profile. So go for radius 8, say this. So we have got the required profile. Just remove the extra. Now we'll try to select all the center lines, and we'll change it into center line. We'll change the properties of solid lines to center lines. Go to home, here go to center lines. So we'll try to create one line, solid line over from here to here in order to get our profile. So now we'll try to give the dimensions. So first we'll give the linear dimensions. From here to here it is 164. From here to here it is 68. From here to here it is 41. and from here, in order to get this center of that radius R15, go to DIM and say CENTER, dim center, dimension center, and click on this radius. You will get that dimension, or you can make it a little bigger by giving D, modify, and here if the value, center marks value is 0.09. let's make it as 0.1. set current, okay, and go to dimension center, click on it. Still it's modify, say 1, dimension center, click on this, so you'll get a bit bigger center mark. So from here we'll go to this point and give the radius as 10, and from here to here the dimension is 72. So now we'll go for the align dimension. So from here to say perpendicular, it is 40. And now give the radius dimensions. This is R20. This is R15. This is R8. This is R8. And this is R8. This is radius 50. And this is radius 15. So we'll try to remove this line. We don't require this line. So we'll give radius 24. And this is as radius 92. And this has radius 100. And there is one more aligned dimension from this to this is 26. Now try to give the dimensions 30, 60, this is 33, and this is the 22, and this is R15, this radius is 144. So we are done with the drawing. If you have got any doubts, you can comment me at my channel, or you can mail me at cadman16414@gmail.com. Thank you.